What's up everybody? It's Consumer's Choice Top 5 and today we're doing something a little different, but trust me, it's gonna be huge. We're talking about laundry detergent. You heard me right, because who doesn't love fresh, clean clothes? We're talking about the best of the best on the market. We're gonna dive deep into the suds, rank these bad boys, and by the end of this video, you'll be a laundry expert. We're talking stain-fighting power, freshness, what works for sensitive skin, and of course, what's gonna give you the biggest bang for your buck. So, buckle up, smash that like button like you're trying to get a stain out, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more epic content like this. Let's get this laundry party started. Kicking things off at number 5, we've got Tide Hygienic Clean, Heavy Duty 10X Power Pods. Now these aren't your grandma's Tide Pods. We're talking next level clean here, people. These pods are designed to tackle the toughest stains and leave your clothes looking and feeling fresh. These pods are like the superheroes of the laundry room. They swoop in and save the day, making sure your laundry is spotless. They're super concentrated, so you're getting 10 times the cleaning power. This means you can use less product and still get an incredible clean. That means they can tackle even the gnarliest grime and get your clothes seriously clean. Whether it's mud, grease, or food stains, these pods have got you covered. We're talking grass stains from epic backyard football games where the kids come in looking like they've rolled in the lawn. Spaghetti sauce explosions from your world-famous pasta night where everyone ends up with a little sauce on their shirt. Muddy paw prints from your adventure-loving dog. These pods can handle it all. No stain is too tough for these powerful pods. And the best part? They're super convenient to use. No more fussing with measuring cups or spilling detergent everywhere. Just toss one in the wash and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. No mess, no stress, no more measuring out messy liquids or powders. These pods are pre-measured, so you get the perfect amount every time. These pods are perfect for busy families who need a powerful clean but don't have a ton of time to mess around with laundry. They make laundry day a breeze. Plus, they leave your clothes smelling amazing, like you just stepped out of a meadow filled with fresh laundry. The scent is long-lasting and refreshing. Okay, maybe not a meadow, but you get the idea. Your clothes will smell fantastic. And for those of you who are germ-conscious, these pods have got you covered. They ensure your clothes are not just clean, but hygienically clean. They use special hygienic clean technology to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria. This is especially important in today's world. That's right, 99.9%. You can have peace of mind knowing your laundry is truly clean. So, if you're looking for a powerful, convenient, and hygienic clean, Tide Hygienic Clean Heavy Duty 10X Power Pods are the way to go. They make laundry easier and more effective. Trust me on this one, you won't be disappointed with the results. Now I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on these pods? Have you tried these pods? What do you think? Share your experiences with us. Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback is important to us. And hey, if you're loving this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out and lets us know you enjoy our content. Thanks for watching. Coming in at number 4, we've got a detergent that's perfect for all my sensitive-skinned peeps out there. Persil Proclean Sensitive Skin. This product is a game changer for anyone who has ever struggled with skin irritation caused by regular detergents. This detergent is like a warm hug for your skin, but it still packs a powerful cleaning punch. Imagine the comfort of knowing your clothes are not only clean but also gentle on your skin. We all know that feeling. You put on a fresh, clean shirt, but then the itching starts. Ugh, it's the worst. It's frustrating to deal with, especially when you just want to feel comfortable in your own clothes. But with Persil Proclean Sensitive Skin, you don't have to choose between clean clothes and comfortable skin. You get the best of both worlds. Cleanliness and comfort. This detergent is specially formulated without any harsh dyes or perfumes that can irritate sensitive skin. It's a thoughtful blend designed to be as gentle as possible. It's even dermatologist tested, so you know it's gentle enough for even the most delicate skin. This makes it a reliable choice for families with young children or anyone with skin conditions. But don't let the gentle formula fool you. This detergent is still tough on dirt and stains. It tackles the messiest of laundry loads with ease. It uses a unique blend of enzymes to break down even the toughest grime, leaving your clothes sparkling clean and smelling fresh. These enzymes work hard so you don't have to, and when I say fresh, I mean a clean, natural freshness. None of that overpowering perfumey stuff. It's a subtle, pleasant scent that everyone can appreciate. Just pure, clean laundry goodness. It's the kind of clean that makes you feel good about the clothes you're wearing. Persil Proclean sensitive skin is perfect for families with babies, people with eczema or allergies, or anyone who just wants a gentle and effective clean. It's versatile and suitable for a wide range of needs. Now, I'm curious, how many of you out there have sensitive skin? It's more common than you might think. What detergents have you tried and loved? Share your experiences with us. Let's chat in the comments. Your feedback and stories can help others find the perfect detergent for their needs. And while you're there, drop a comment if you think we should give away a year's supply of Persil Proclean sensitive skin to one lucky subscriber. Imagine the joy of winning such a useful prize. Because you know, who doesn't love free stuff? It's a great way to show our appreciation for your support. Alright, coming in hot at number 3, we've got a detergent that's a serious contender for the stain-fighting champion Tide Ultra Stain Release. This stuff is a lifesaver, especially if you're prone to spills and accidents, like me. Whether it's a clumsy moment or a messy hobby, this detergent has got your back. I'm talking about those moments when you spill your entire coffee down your brand new white shirt, or when your kid decides to use your favorite jeans as a paintbrush. It's like a magnet for all kinds of stains. We've all been there, right? Those frustrating moments when you think your clothes are ruined forever. But fear not, because Tide Ultra Stain Release is here to save the day. It's like having a superhero in your laundry room. This detergent is packed with powerful stain-fighting enzymes that break down even the toughest stains, like grease, wine, blood, you name it, this stuff can handle it. It's like having a professional cleaner at your disposal, and the best part is you don't need to do any pre-treating. No more scrubbing or soaking. Just toss your clothes in the wash with a cap full of Tide Ultra Stain Release and let it work its magic. It's that simple. It's like having a mini miracle worker right in your laundry room. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your clothes are in good hands. Plus, this detergent works in both high efficiency and standard washing machines, so you can use it no matter what kind of laundry setup you have. Versatility at its finest. And it leaves your clothes smelling amazing like a fresh, clean breeze. It's a scent that makes you feel good about your laundry. So if you're looking for a detergent that can tackle even the most stubborn stains, Tide Ultra Stain Release is definitely worth checking out. It's a game changer for your laundry routine. Now let's have some fun. Tell me about the worst stain you've ever had to deal with. Was it epic? Did it seem impossible to remove? Did Tide Ultra Stain Release come to your rescue? Share your success stories. Share your stories in the comments. I can't wait to read them. Let's celebrate those laundry victories together. Sliding into second place, we have a true legend, a classic, the one and only Tide Original. This detergent is like that reliable friend who's always there for you, no matter what. It's been around for decades, and for good reason. Tide Original just works. It's a solid, dependable detergent that gets the job done every single time. It's like the ultimate all-rounder. Whether you're washing everyday clothes, towels, bedding, or even delicates, Tide Original can handle it all. It removes dirt and grime effectively, leaving your clothes clean and fresh. And speaking of fresh, Tide Original has that iconic clean scent that we all know and love. It's not too overpowering, just a clean, classic scent that screams I'm fresh out of the laundry. Plus, Tide Original is super versatile. It comes in liquid, powder, and even pods, so you can choose the format that works best for you. Honestly, Tide Original is a classic for a reason. It's affordable, effective, and smells amazing. You really can't go wrong with this one. Now, I know there are some serious Tide Original fans out there. Let's hear it. What do you love most about this classic detergent? Drop a comment below and let me know. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the top spot, the king of clean, the ultimate Persil Proclean Stain Fighter. This detergent is in a league of its own. It's like the superhero of laundry detergents, combining powerful stain-fighting technology with an incredible fresh scent. Persil is a unique blend of enzymes that dig deep down into fabric fibers to break down even the toughest, most set-in stains. We're talking about stains that other detergents wouldn't even dare to touch. But it's not just about stain removal. Persil Proclean Stain Fighter also eliminates odors, leaving your clothes smelling amazingly fresh and clean. And the scent? Don't even get me started. It's like a breath of fresh air, a burst of sunshine, a clean laundry dream come true. But don't just take my word for it. Persil Proclean Stain Fighter consistently ranks higher than Tide in independent lab tests, so you know it's not just hype. This stuff really delivers. If you're serious about laundry, if you want the absolute best clean possible, if you want your clothes to look and smell amazing, then you need Persil Proclean Stain Fighter in your life. Trust me, your clothes challenge for you. Go out and try Persil Proclean Stain Fighter for yourself. Put it to the test against your toughest laundry challenges and then come back here and let me know what you think. There you have it, folks, the top 5 best laundry detergents. We've seen some serious cleaning power, from the hygienic heroes to the stain-fighting champions. Whether you're battling epic spills, have sensitive skin, or just want your clothes to smell amazing, there's a detergent out there for you. And remember, laundry doesn't have to be a chore. With the right detergent, it can be a breeze. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and conquer your laundry baskets, my friends. And don't forget to let me know in the comments what your favorite detergent is. Until next time, stay fresh. Here's a quick recap of the top 5 best laundry detergents. Number 5. Tide Hygienic Clean Pods. Deep Clean Tech. Number 4. Persil Sensitive. For delicate skin. Number 3. Tide Ultra Stain Release. Stain Fighting Pro. Number 2. Tide Original. Trusted Classic. Number 1. Persil Proclean Stain Fighter. The ultimate detergent. Let us know your favorite detergent in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more top-rated reviews.